Hello everyone, this is a quick demo of FIO Protocol inside of ChangeNow. So on the home page, I'm going to pick that I want to convert Bitcoin Cash into Ethereum. I'm going to convert 0.1 Bitcoin, hit exchange, and now I'm being asked to specify the recipient wallet. So once the exchange is complete, where should the funds be sent to? Instead of copy pasting a public address, which is what I normally would do, I'm just going to type in Powerwet Edge. So this way, my funds are going to be sent to that wallet after the exchange is complete. I'm going to hit next. And now just a confirmation that I'm converting 0.1 Bitcoin Cash to 0.06 Ethereum. I confirm. And now I have to send my Bitcoin Cash. Normally, I would have to either copy paste this very cryptic public address or scan the QR code. But now you can see there is an option to deposit with FIO request. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in Powerwet Edge and send a FIO request to my Edge wallet. With that, this way, I won't have to copy paste the public address, figure out the right amount, make sure everything is correct. So I'm just gonna hit send. Now inside my Edge wallet, I'm going to go to FIO requests. And now I see an incoming request from deposit at ChangeNow, exactly what I'm expecting. I'm going to tap that and see all the information already pre-populated. And this send is going to deposit at ChangeNow, exactly what I need. I don't even need to see the public address. Swipe, execute, transaction successful. Now I just sit back and wait for my exchange funds to be deposited.